Welcome to Ringtech. This tutorial will cover the LCD screen and the FAGOR 8055 CNC controller. We will talk about the main features of the screen and locations of different items. We'll start using function key F4, jog. The jog screen shows the positions of the machines in the main section of the screen. Interpolated axes are X, Y, Z and C on an RTL 4000. We'll start at the top of the screen and show the main areas in detail. The top left corner shows what operation mode we're in. We're currently in jog mode. If we choose main menu, it will say main menu. Edit will show edit. Main menu, simulate, pick a program, decide on how we want to simulate it. You'll see G function simulation. We have program 101 selected. That is shown in the center of the screen. If the program is not using a numeric number but using actual text, it will show the text message for that particular program. This portion shows the block number that is being executed as the program runs through, and will also show the subprogram number if any subprograms are being called. Along this top section you have the DNC portion. This shows that the machine is connected to a DNC Ethernet network with E and that it's network 2. When the machine's communicating, this will light yellow. The final portion of this section of the screen is the time screen. It shows a 24-hour clock displaying the current time. The next portion is the grey line underneath. That line extends all the way across the screen and is divided in half. This is the message line for the CNC control and for the PLC. If there are any machine messages, they will be displayed here. In this particular instance, machine door safety interlock off. If we turn the key on, that message will disappear. If there are more than one messages, you will see a red plus sign in this location. The CNC always shows the highest rated message first. This portion can show messages that can be pre-programmed. For instance, this message, feed out bar. If we execute this program, it will show that message in that location. Feed out bar. As this is not set up currently, we get an alarm message for overrun. To escape from there, we just press escape. We're going to jog mode. The next portion of the screen is this portion that shows information about the programming status. So we have the feed rate, currently at 0, which means the machine is in rapid mode. The feed rate is at 100%. If we turn the feed rate override knob, you can see that it can be reduced to 0 or to a maximum of 120%. In normal operation, it's left at 100%. This shows the program spindle speed and the percentage of override. The override is controlled by the spindle override knob. It can go down to 50% and up to 150%. Normally it is set at 100%. This portion of the line shows the tool offset and the table offset. In most instances on the CNC, go to MDI 232, cycle start. These display the same number. In certain situations using form tools, it's possible to use a different tool number, but in general, the T number and the D number are always the same. This section shows the actual RPM of the spindle. So if we start the spindle at 1200 RPM, you can see that currently it's running at 1204 RPM. Again, it can be adjusted with the percentage override. And it's showing the surface speed at this RPM is 272 meters per minute. The next line is showing the G functions. And the G functions are the current active G functions as the machine is running a program. The next line is the M function line. This shows the current active M functions. Currently we're in gear range M41 and the spindle is stopped M05. This black line is used in MDI mode. If we use MDI, it turns blue and it's for entering data input. In this instance we'll type in the simple M code and press cycle start. You'll see it is accepted and we'll exit out of MDI mode. The final line shows what jog mode we're in. If you activate the hand wheel, it shows hand wheel mode, and which axis is selected will be highlighted on screen. To highlight C axis mode must be selected. If we go into MDI mode, it erases that. Go into measure mode, it says tool calibration. We go into preset mode, it says axis preset. Go into reference search mode, it says machine home search. We will discuss how to home the machine in an alternative video. Finally, we have the function key display. Each position corresponds to the related function key. Pressing the function key will activate this particular option. In this case, we have millimeters selected. If we press that, we will see inch and it will display in inch. If we press it again, it will toggle back to millimeters and display in millimeters. This concludes this video on the LCD screen layout.